A fresh twist to the Badaयूं gang rape case. CBI sources are telling Times Now that this could be a case of honor killing. So far, the case appears to be completely manipulated, is what CBI sources are telling us. Let's in fact go across to Prema, who's breaking this information. Yes, Prema, what are the details you have from your sources?
Now, yesterday we had reported about how the CBI had received a report from the Center for DNA, Fingerprinting and Diagnostics in the Badaयूं rape and murder case. Now, we're getting some startling information regarding what is there in that report. Now, CBI sources have been telling us that the DNA of accused is not found on the victim's clothes, and CBI sources also telling us that this could even be a case of honor killing. Now, CBI sources are telling that so far the case seems to be completely manipulative and made to believe this could be a case of honor killing, and that's the angle the CBI is looking as of now. In fact, now the CBI is telling us that they have credible scientific evidence which will enable the agency to crack this case soon. Remember earlier, a 3-member medical board was constituted and it was headed by AIIMS forensic experts. Their report in this case is still awaited, and they have also been asked to expedite their report and come out with their findings soon. And once that report comes out, CBI sources are telling us that things will be more clear.
Prema, though, this is startling information. Like you're pointing out, they have raised the angle of honor killing, even though, of course, the case is still under investigation. If one also looks at the fact that the father and the uncle of the victims had failed the lie detector test earlier, this is quite a twist to this case.
Well, exactly. In fact, the needle of suspicion was on the parents itself. In fact, if you see, CBI had found inconsistencies in the parents' statement. Parents were in possession of the mobile and slippers of the elder girl, but yet these disclosures were not made by the parents to the CBI. The slippers were then sent for forensic examination. Now, the lie detection test was conducted on the family, and this completely put the needle of suspicion on the family. Now, this suspicion is growing stronger, and now with the CBI telling us that it could be a case of honor killing, the CBI is now looking at this angle too.